Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty. Guys, I just want to use the opportunity to appreciate all of you that have been supporting me on this channel. I say may good Lord bless you all. I appreciate you for your comment, for your love, for everything you have been doing on this channel. Thank you also so much for your love. So guys, without wasting much of your time, we are going to be making healthy okra soup today. Yes, that is where we are going. Without wasting much of your time, let's just dive into that video. Over here are my ingredients. Over here I have some okra here, which I'm going to be naming, which is the main sauces here. Over here I have some prawns. I have some mushroom here. I have my medusa fish here. Over here is a coconut oil. I will be needing coconut oil for this recipe. This is ecologist, which is organic coconut oil. Over here is my frozen spinach. This is fresh spinach. So I made this video in one of my videos now. Yes. So this is fresh spinach. Yeah. Over here I have some garlic, ginger, and some locust beans. Yeah, this is my locust beans, which is eru. So over here I have onions, chopped onions, 2 scotch bonnet pepper. I'm using the green one today, and the ginger. So guys, let's get started. Guys, we are going to start by chopping our So I will be blending my onions. I'm going to be adding the onions, scotch bonnet pepper in there. My locust beans. I'm going to blend it. Ginger, garlic. I'm going to blend all together. And I will be adding a little bit of water. Guys, I just placed my pot in the fire. Now what I'm going to do is to add my coconut oil to it. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to it. That will be enough. So what I'm going to do is just to add my chopped scallion to it. I'm going to stir it for 1 or 2 minutes before I added my blended onions and ginger to it. And I'm going to be adding my blended onions and ginger. And I'm going to add my non-cube to it. And I'm going to allow it to simmer. In 5 minutes time, I will show you guys. Guys, I'm going to add my stockfish to it because the stockfish is still strong. I want it to be soft by the soup. By the time the soup is ready, so I will be adding it. while we go over to blend our okra. This is my blender, so I'm going to add my okra into it. The okra have been thoroughly cleaned. This is the fresh one I was able to get. It's not that fresh. I'm going to blend it in 2 batches. So what I'm going to do is just to add a little bit of water to it. I don't want it to be smooth. I just, just to chop it. I'm going to chop it. I'm going to be adding my mushroom. I'm going to allow it to cook for 3 minutes then before adding my fish to it. I will be adding some crayfish. My crayfish is empty now. Add salt. Then I'm going to taste for salt. Guys, the aroma here, oh my god. Oh my goodness, you guys need to be here. I'm going to add my dry fish to it. That is my dry Melusa fish. Guys, I will be adding my okra now. This is my okra over here. I'm going to add it. My blended okra. I'm just going to take my time to, to open it. Guys, it's time to add our spinach to it. This is the frozen spinach. I'm just going to add it. I don't want the spinach to overshadow it, so I'm going to stir them. Yeah, in the next 5 minutes it's ready. Our healthy okra soup is ready. I'm just going to turn off the gas. Take a look at this. So healthy, tasty, yummy and delicious. This is so yummy, guys. And the aroma, my kitchen, oh my god, you need to be here to perceive this aroma with me. So delicious, guys. So I'm going to be taking mine with amala. It's long I ate amala, so I'm going to use amala for my swallow this evening. If you know you are hungry, don't forget my address is there at the description box. Hurry now. If you cannot come, just send down your plate. I'm also going to send it back to you. Thank you also so much. If you have watched up to this extent, I say may the good Lord bless you all in Jesus' name. Bye bye, and see you guys in my next video. Remain blessed.